Welcome to 20 Days to Turn the Tide. This is a season of transformation, and I am Alicia Marie Belshak, a life mastery consultant, speaker, coach, and author, and your guide here on Life Mastery TV. I've put together a little something here in this 20-day challenge that will help you turn crisis into courage, aspirations into action, and fear into fulfillment. All you have to do is follow along. So welcome again to 20 Days to Turn the Tide in your favor. Okay, let's get going and get started. Day 8. Fix it and forget it. Do you have something around the house or your business that isn't quite working right, or maybe needs a minor, quick repair? What simple maintenance projects have you been putting off? Call that handy person in your life or do it yourself and get that job done. Get it off the to-do list and out of your mind. Break it down into steps and schedule them into your calendar for the next month or whenever it is appropriate. This is ultimately so you can feel confident that it will get done and that you don't have to worry about it anymore. Again, we're moving energy, we're building momentum, so you don't have to have so much on your mind. Let us know what you choose to get done today.